Hey, you want to interior your TRI-ZEN apartment? Leave it to us. We will make your dream apartment come to life. Welcome to our exquisitely furnished apartment, designed with both elegance and functionality in mind. Each piece of furniture has been thoughtfully designed by 4 of our highly talented interior designers to create a space that not only looks stunning but also feels like home. We invite you to visit our fully furnished model apartment at TRI-ZEN, where you can physically touch and see each and every detail that has been crafted to elevate your living experience. Living area. Entrance feature wall. Four-seater dining table. Three-seater sofa with feature wall. Stool plus Humpty. TV unit with feature wall. Master bedroom. Master wardrobe. Half moon light mirror with fluted panel. Humpties. Study table. Beds and chairs. Master bed. Master bedroom feature wall. Lampshades. Bedroom. Cushion bed. Wall cupboards and side cupboards. Table lampshades. Every piece of furniture is done using treated teak and treated mahogany wood, the highest quality granite materials, HS fabric, the highest quality fittings and coatings from JaEla. The things provided to you: 10-year warranty, free delivery and installation, can be customized according to your need. Delivery within 20 days. Up to 36-month interest-free credit card installment facility. Just pay 10% and the balance can be settled once the interior is completed. A special discount of 25,000 rupees will be rewarded if you come through a contact. More discounts will be rewarded for cash purchases. Visit our showrooms located in Moratuwa, JaEla, Battaramulla and Negombo. For more information, contact us.